How to hide one chat in WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide one chat in WhatsApp, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to hide a single person or a single chat on WhatsApp, it's very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and launch your WhatsApp application. So if the chat is not really important to you, I just recommend you go ahead and simply delete them by tapping on the trash icon and tapping on the delete button here, right? But if that is not the option for you and you only just want to go ahead and basically just hide them, what you have to do is just long press on the chat that you want to hide and then just tap on the arrow icon, which is the archive icon from the top right. When you tap on that icon, you can see the chat is basically hidden and has been moved to my archive feed. So if I want to view that message, I have to do one extra step by going into archive, and then you'll be able to see the messages over here. Or else basically you can see that it is not basically showing up on the main chat page, and that's the one thing that you can do. And this is how you can hide one chat in WhatsApp. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.